Hey there, camping enthusiasts. Ever thought about hitting the great outdoors but hesitated because, well, let's face it, roughing it without all the modern comforts can seem daunting? Don't worry, we've got you covered. Today, we're diving into some seriously cool camping gear that'll make your outdoor adventures a breeze. So, grab your marshmallows and let's get started. First up, we have the Tranquility Tent. Picture this, a cozy little pod that hangs from a tree, providing you with complete privacy and insulation, even during those chilly winter nights. It's sturdy, easy to set up, and perfect for solo adventurers who crave some peace and quiet amidst nature. Now, let's talk about food. Say goodbye to lugging around heavy cooking equipment thanks to the Jetboil Stash. This compact stove system weighs next to nothing and boils water in a flash, so you can whip up a hot meal wherever you go. Plus, it's a breeze to pack up when it's time to move on to your next adventure. Next on our list is the Bell Tent by King Camp. This spacious tent sets up in minutes and offers a luxurious camping experience with its waterproof cover and roomy interior. Set up your camping chairs, kick back, and enjoy the great outdoors in style. For those who want to take their camping game to the next level, check out the Wildland Rooftop Air Cruiser Tent. This innovative tent attaches to your car's roof and inflates in minutes, giving you a comfy retreat wherever you roam. With its built-in air pump and sturdy design, you'll be camping in style no matter where the road takes you. But why stop there? With the Grand Teton Camper Box, you can turn your SUV into a mobile paradise. This all-in-one box comes complete with a kitchen, bed, and storage space, so you can camp in comfort without sacrificing convenience. And for the ultimate in relaxation, don't forget to pack the Haven Hammock Tent. This ingenious invention combines the comfort of a hammock with the shelter of a traditional tent, giving you the best of both worlds. Set it up between two trees, kick back, and let the stress melt away as you sway gently in the breeze. We've got the Quick Light Cabin, a super modern, lightweight, and easy-to-build cabin. Check out this video demo to see how simple it is to assemble. With just a screwdriver, you can put it together all by yourself. Plus, it's built to last with UV-treated parts. Need more space? No problem. There are extension kits available to make your cabin even bigger. And those windows? They're made from tough acrylic, so they'll last ages too. Next, we've got the SkyCamp Annex Room by iCamper. This innovative rooftop tent raised a whopping $2.3 million in fundraising. Setting it up is a breeze, just like a traditional tent, but with the added bonus of being able to attach it to your vehicle. It's super sturdy and spacious, giving you a multi-level living area wherever you go. Now, let's talk about lighting. The Alpenglow USB lanterns by BioLight are perfect for brightening up your campsite. With 2 brightness settings and a range of colors, they're USB rechargeable and easy to carry. Say goodbye to bulky lamps. Moving on, we've got the Real Wheel, an all-terrain cart that makes hauling your gear a breeze. It's perfect for beach days or hiking trips, with a cooler to keep your drinks cold and plenty of space for chairs and equipment. Plus, it's super durable and can handle rough terrain like a champ. If you're all about convenience, check out the Mini Bee Travel Camping Kit. This all-in-one kit transforms your car into a cozy camper, complete with a bed, cooking countertop, and dining table. Perfect for those who love spontaneous adventures. And for those who prefer a more traditional setup, there's the Helio H3 Series Camping Trailer. Don't be fooled by its compact size. This trailer packs a punch with solar power capabilities and enough space for 2 sleepers. Plus, it comes in a sleek all-black design for extra style points. Now, let's talk about cooking. The One by Mars Players is a multifunctional outdoor kitchen that's perfect for camping trips. With foldable panels and far-infrared technology, it's a game-changer for campsite cooking. Say hello to delicious meals under the stars. Now we've got the Fireflower Fire Pit and Grill. This nifty gadget combines a fire pit and grill into one, making it perfect for backyard barbecues or camping trips. It's easy to assemble and even easier to clean, so you can spend less time fussing and more time enjoying the great outdoors. Now introducing the Cybertruck, the futuristic camper that's as cool as it sounds. It's like a pop-up house on wheels, with retractable steps and expandable living space. Picture this, smart 10 windows and retractable solar panels. As you enter through the sliding door onto the heated floor, you're greeted by a huge voice-activated sink and invisible induction hobs. There's even a fridge. Turn around, and you'll see chairs and tables that can be moved into different positions for working, sitting, or sleeping. And surprise, surprise, there's even room for a bathroom with a shower, sink, and dry toilet. Everything neatly packs into the back of the truck, ready to roll in just minutes. It's amazing how much can fit into such a small space. Now, let's talk about camping essentials. First up, the portable camping rocket stove by Star Blue Products. No need for specialized tools here. Just gather some wood sticks, ignite, and enjoy a steady, long-lasting heat for cooking up a storm, from bacon and eggs to burgers. Next, meet the Click Chair. It's like the Swiss Army knife of camping chairs. It's super stable, ultra-portable, and sets up in seconds. Made of rust-proof aluminum and quick-drying nylon, it can hold up to 100 times its weight while remaining stable. Plus, it comes with a lifetime guarantee. But what about hot water? Enter the Hot Tap, the world's smallest water heater by Jolica. Hook it up to an LPG bottle, and you're good to go. With temperature control and a built-in pump, you can enjoy a hot shower anywhere, anytime. Now, let's talk about getting a good night's sleep. Introducing the Tensor from Nemo. It's quiet, supportive, and ultra-lightweight. Made with space frame baffle construction, it offers comfort and insulation for a cozy night under the stars. But camping isn't all fun and games. Sometimes, you need to be prepared for the unexpected. That's where the Sentry Tactical Automatic Trip Alarm System comes in handy. Set up a perimeter and let the alarm scare away any unwanted visitors, whether they're furry critters or something more serious. And if you're tired of carrying everything on your back, check out the Monowalker Fatmate All-Terrain Camping Cart. Designed for self-sufficiency in remote landscapes, it can carry all your gear across snow, mud, and more. Looking for a home away from home? Check out the Polydrops P7A, an all-electric teardrop trailer designed for off-grid living. With a kitchen, living area, and bedroom inspired by space capsules, it's the perfect blend of comfort and adventure. But what about when you're out on the trail? That's where the Adventure Mate V2 comes in. It's a 5-in-1 multi-tool that's perfect for chopping wood, setting up camp, and even digging a latrine. Plus, it comes with a lifetime guarantee. Now, let's talk about staying connected. With the Flame Cube, you can charge your phone while you cook, thanks to its innovative design that turns fire into electricity. Plus, it helps contain and manage your fire, making camping safer and more convenient. And don't forget about mealtime. The Envy Kit is a 5-in-1 utensil kit made from high-quality titanium-coated stainless steel. It's durable, reusable, and perfect for enjoying meals wherever you go. But what about clean water? That's where the Peak Series Straw by Life Straw comes in. It filters out bacteria, parasites, and other nasty stuff, so you can drink from almost any water source with peace of mind. And if you're looking to relax after a long day of hiking, check out the Salty Barrel. It's a portable wood-fired hot tub that you can set up anywhere, anytime. Just fill it with water, light a fire, and enjoy instant paradise. Now, let's talk about cooking. The Titanium Camping Stove by Serotonin Outdoors is lightweight, durable, and perfect for cooking up a storm. Whether you're using wood pellets, twigs, or solid fuel tablets, this stove has you covered. And if you're looking to upgrade your camping experience, check out the Red Tail Rooftop Camper. It's a hard-sided camper that pops up in seconds, giving you a comfortable place to rest and relax wherever you go. But what about starting a fire? The Surviveware Stormproof matches are the toughest matches on the market. They're stormproof, windproof, and even waterproof, so you can start a fire in any conditions. And if you're planning on having a barbecue, you'll need something bigger, like the Kudu 3 grill. It's a portable charcoal grill with an open-fire grilling system, perfect for cooking up a feast for friends and family. But what about emergencies? That's where the Surviveware Waterproof First Aid Kit comes in. It's compact, lightweight, and fully stocked with everything you need to handle any situation. And now ETs talk about privacy. The InstaPrivy is a portable toilet system that's perfect for camping, road trips, and more. With a stable chair, hands-free privacy shelter, and all the essentials, it's a game-changer for outdoor adventures. So, there you have it, some incredible camping inventions to take your outdoor adventures to the next level. Which one will you be investing in? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more interesting and creative content. Thanks for watching, and happy camping! Let's talk about a super cool invention that's changing the camping game, the solar-powered tent. You know, camping without a tent was so last year. But lugging around a heavy, old-school tent isn't always fun either. That's where solar-powered tents come in. These tents are like the superheroes of camping gear. They're tough, just like traditional tents, but with a modern twist, they come with solar panels. These panels soak up the sun's rays during the day, storing up energy to power the tent's lighting system at night. How cool is that? And here's the best part, setting up these tents is a breeze. Many models can be pitched in under 2 minutes. That means no more fumbling around with complicated poles and stakes. It's perfect for those spontaneous camping trips or if you're always running late with your gear prep. So, camping with technology doesn't have to be hard. With solar-powered tents, you get all the benefits of modern camping gear without sacrificing any convenience.